Here she is, a scraggly old elm tree that's just out of place and asking to have some bows made out of it. It's got a lot of moss growing up on the bottom. A dead branch here that's potentially going to introduce some rot to the tree. It's on its way out, so let's give it new life. And I'm sure there's a couple of bows hiding in there somewhere. But before we do, there's a buckthorn hiding in here. That's right for making a bow out of too. Nice and straight. And with the way this tree's leaning, it might get squished anyway, so I'm gonna take that one as well. There's a little picture of part of our place here. A little apple orchard and some pears and cherries I planted over the last couple of years down there. These big old stands of serviceberry, choke cherry. Do some debarking and clean up the edges of some of these a little bit.